So to write the first hello world Lisp code, first I'm going to create, or I already created the hello.ls file. In this file, I'm going to define the main function, then I'm going to call the println command, or the println macro, sorry, and with the message hello world. So first I'm going to define the function main. Then in that function, I'm going to call the println command, and in the message I'm going to write hello world. So the println command will terminate with this symbol, or the println macro will terminate with this symbol, and I'm gonna write it here in the message as well. Save the code. To compile, to generate the executable file, I'm going to run this command st and the name of the file. Now the executable is generated. I'm going to run it simply by calling hello, and here it is, the hello world message. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.